Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Why conversations are secretly powerful. Did you know a simple conversation can solve problems, create friendships, and sometimes accidentally last 3 hours when you only plan to say hi? Today we're talking about benefits of conversations, funny, wholesome, relatable, example from everyday life. Let's begin. 1. Conversations create friendships. Reason why a small talk opens the door to connection. Many awesome friendships start from simple conversations. 2. Conversations reduce awkward silence. Reason why talking helps people feel comfortable. Even a simple greetings can make situations more relaxed. 3. Conversations help us solve problems. Reason why different people have different experiences and ideas. Teamwork often starts with communication. 4. Conversation spreads knowledge. Reason why people naturally share information. Talking helps ideas travel between people. 5. Conversation improves confidence. Reason why practice improves communication skills. The more you talk, the easier conversations become. 6. Conversations prevent misunderstandings. Reason why tone and expressions matter. Speaking directly often clears confusion quickly. 7. Conversations create funny memories. Reason why unexpected moments are memorable. Laughter strengthens social bonds. 8. Conversations help during stress. Reason why humans feel better when listened to. Kind conversations can improve emotional well-being. 9. Conversation improve teamwork. Without conversation, chaos. With conversation, smooth. People work better teamwork when expectations are clear. Good communication prevents unnecessary confusion. 10. Conversation introduce a new perspective. Everyone experiences life differently. Conversation increase understand between people worldwide. 11. Conversations make waiting less boring. Reason why time moves faster during enjoyable interaction. Talking keeps the brain engaged. 12. Conversation build trust. Reason why trust grows through understand. A strong relationship depend on open conversation. 13. Conversation can inspire creativity. Reason why ideas grow when shared. Creative thinking often happens through discussion. 14. Conversation improves listening skills. Reason why listening is part of communication too. Good listeners usually build stronger relationship. 15. Conversation reminds us we're human. Reasons why humans naturally seek connection. Conversations help people feel less alone. So next time you start a conversation, even a tiny one, remember you might create a friendship, solve a problem, learn something new, or accidentally spend 45 minutes discussing pizza toppings. Words are powerful when used with kindness and respect. What's the funniest and most meaningful conversation you ever had?